Today I am going to represent. Hello everyone, this is Ramya K, studying in East West College of Engineering, the Department of Electronics and Communication. Today I am going to represent a technical seminar on Gyana Setu, a boon to the rural India. And we have the contents that is related to the Gyana Setu, a boon to the rural India. Let us know the introduction of the Gyana Setu. The Government of India has made efforts in digitizing the data for the benefits of the rural population, which includes farmers primary. As per the GOIS National Optical Fiber Network Initiative, all the Gram Panchayats shall have internet connectivity. Few Gram Panchayat have been equipped with computer but are unused due to digitally untrained people. One way to help these digitally untrained people are Gyana Setu. Let us know what is Gyana Setu and how it is used and how it is developed. So, Gyana Setu is a tabletop portable computing device. Gyana Setu is having an integrated braille engraved keypad for operation. Infra operation receiver has been integrated that makes navigation within the Gyana Setu graphical user interface just like operating TV remote. It also has fingerprint reader, NFC reader and also web camera. Let us know the what is system model and how does it contains and what are the parts that is contains. LED indication, IR receiver, web camera, biometric reader, NFC reader, keypad with braille, and this is the front view of the Gyana Setu. And we have the motivation. Fear of using the computer due to the presence of peripherals, illiteracy. Most of the information in the internet today is in English, which most of the Indian villagers do not understand. Confusion with respect to where to start, how to start, further spams, advertisement, etc. Within the site misleads the required authentic content. And we have objectives to overcome challenges and issues faced by the rural and digitally untrained mass, to minimize the complication in searching platform, to simplify the GUI design, to provide usability friendliness for differently abled persons. And we have Gyana Setu software design interacts with the user through indigenously developed graphical user interface, mediates with third-party servers seamlessly, no change required in third-party servers, extract the information from third-party servers in real-time over network, internet, requested information is presented to the user in a simplified GUI and with added text, audio announcement in preferred language. And we have some of the comparison between the conventional website and the Gyana Setu simplified website. And we have Gyana Setu hardware design. The braille enabled keypad has been provided so that the blind populace. The number of options within a single GUI page is restricted from 0 to 9. If more options are to be seen, the up and down arrows are used. These are the keys for navigating back and home in every page. The Easy Card button is provided to map any navigation page to the smart card. NFC reader. The NFC reader has been provided for the smart card or easy card detection. This feature is also very useful for the old people who cannot navigate using the keys in the keyboard. And we have user friendly graphical user interface. During the design and development of an innovative patent pending graphical user interface to attract the digitally illiterate user, a deaf person can easily identify a particular item in the screen, even by the image as well as the numbers associated next to the images. A blind person can hear the text which is read out in the preferred language of the user. And we have result page of AG market prices. Web camera, how it is used and how it is developed. Let us know. Method to navigate within the Gyana Setu graphical user interface is the 2D barcode which is printed on the same smart RF card, that is Easy Card. For this, the user needs to map or navigate the smart card using the web camera that is integrated within the system by sliding the card. And we have higher remote control for navigation. The remote control acts as a normal keypad, but on the key remote has been configured to predefined numbers or options or buttons used within the Gyana Setu application. And we have the working of Gyana Setu, that is the interface between the software and the hardware, that is the client and the server. Let us know the Gyana Setu does not require any changes in the third party. Once the inputs are collected from the user, backend retrieves the result in the real time from authenticate conventional website. All this happens without the user intervention. The data is extracted for the required information and the result presented in a user-friendly GUI. How to use Gyana Setu? After the last input from the user is submitted, the client submits user input data to the Gyanasetu server. The Gyanasetu server, which in turn mediates to www.agmarknet.nic.inside. This is the official site for the queries of market prices of various mandis. Extract the current price, market price of the selected variety. That is, take an example of Elakki Bale commodity banana of a particular state, that is Karnataka. And we have Gyana Setu, how it is impact on the social of Gyana Setu. Gyana Setu has been developed with the rural mass in mind. The keypad which is integrated with the product is braille enabled, which assists the blind people in navigating through the services. The keys within the keypad are large enough so that older people may press the key with easy. The provision for the easy card and remote control is targeted for the people who may not know how to use the Gyana Setu. And we have the future scope of the Gyana Setu. Video call service between two Gyana Setu, projector integrated Gyana Setu to overcome the need of the TV, Aadhaar based services like banking with inbuilt support for biometric reader. Depending on the field placement and requirements, additional Indian languages can also be used. Speak recognition in local dialects language are used. And we have some of the references like Dr. Pradeep Mittal and Amandeep Kaur e-governments, a challenge for India, HIJARSnet, Volume 2, Issue 3, March 2013, ISSN 2278-1323. Some of the references are followed, etc. Thank you.